Familiarize yourself with the 2015 Chrysler Town Country. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This model accommodates 7 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, automatic temperature control, a power rear cargo door, remote keyless entry, and a blind spot monitoring system. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chrysler's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.